So guys, welcome back from the college. मोटू देख, आज भाई आ गया अपना। वो देखो यू भी खड़ा हुआ। और गाइस अभी आए हैं 2 क्लास लेके, फिर निकलेंगे कॉलेज से, क्योंकि आज जाना है कहीं, वो दिखाएंगे अगले व्लॉग में। बता व्लॉग में बता क्या है। रुमित
के पास लड़के का मैसेज आया, हाय हाउ आर यू।
भाई मैसेज दिखाना।
भाई लड़के का मैसेज आ रहा है,
पता नहीं भाई किसका है,
लड़के का क्यों आ रहा है?
पता नहीं कौन है ये।
ओह नाइस। तो गाइस
नाम बंदे ने नाम क्या लिख रखा है?
नंबर वायरल कर दो गाइस, रुमित को परेशान करा जा रहा है। मिलो अपने अभिषेक भाई से।
क्या हाल है भाई लोग? तू कोई बेबी इसको बेबा बन गया।
तेरा भी सेव ही तो नहीं हो रही। रिप्ले में भेजी है
भाई, क्या कर रहा है?
Guys, we are in the class of DM BBA की, but we will tell you about MBA. ठीक है, because admissions are open for MBA, so they will tell you in brief.
So MBA programs are like there are many specializations which may vary slightly year to year. So some of them are marketing, finance, human resource management, then operation and supply management, supply chain, entrepreneurship and innovation, international business. Then there is a curriculum highlight which is going to tell that what the college, this institute, Band University is going to provide you is industry oriented curriculum aligned with the global business trends, then leadership labs and workshops, then guest lectures from CEOs, VPS,
CEOs of
industry,
trending companies.
training companies.
They came and gave
Like they are having
guest lectures.
industry experts, then summer internship programs which is consist of 8 weeks, then personality development and soft skills trainings, then there is a global exposure. So global exposure is like student exchange opportunities, certification programs from international institutions, and academics collaboration with international universities. There is a placement and internship support, which is 100%. Then regular industry interaction, live projects, and corporate mentorship. There is a tie-up with top recruiters like Deloitte,
KPMG.
HCL, KPMG, Wipro, EY, etc. Average salary package, if you are going to talk about the average salary package, which is INR 7 to 8 lakh per annum, which is average. And if you are going to talk about highest, so it's 18 plus LPA. Now talking about the faculty, here highly qualified professors are there from IIMs, IITs, and top global institutions. Then we are going to talk about their experience. Their experience is about corporate professionals, visiting professors from international business schools. Then about the campus infrastructure, it is like digital classrooms, it is about like Bloomberg labs and modern library, which we are going to show you in another vlog.
We also have that in campus tour. You can see there.
Now, and one more we are going to make, in which we are going to show you everything, each lab, each hostel room, sports complex, gym, each and everything. Then
Like he was talking about faculties, we have also have faculties who are who have done jobs in like multinational companies, MNCs, and then came here with a lot of experience.
now
So-
now coming to the coming to the main topic, which is fee structure, which is like total fees for the student is 9 to 11 lakh for 2 years, and the scholarship based on entrance test score and academic performance.
I'll make the scholarship vlog on a proper vlog on scholarship and fees.
For
You will see that.
admission process, either you go to the Bennett website, or you can contact Daksh, and over there you can like upload your academic documents and test scores. The shortlisted candidates will get the opportunity of personal interview.
And
Present, ma'am. edit कर लेंगे।
सो गाइस देख लो हम कितना रिस्क ले रहे हैं आप लोगों के लिए। अटेंडेंस के बीच में वी आर गिविंग यू द इन्फॉर्मेशन। सो जस्ट लाइक कमेंट से पहले डिस्क्रिप्शन में एडमिशन लिंक जो है वो फॉर्म भरने के लिए वो लिंक प्रोवाइडेड है, उस पर जाकर आप एडमिशन ले सकते हैं।
And I would like to tell you the eligibility criteria is very low over here. Graduation with 50 marks, and there is a valid score for CAT, Exact, CM, AT, like JE also. You can get the scholarship.
And guys number we given है description में, there is a number also. If you have any query you can clear from there. And just join Bennett University. Admissions are open and written order में if you don't know you can search in on Google Maps.
Yes, it's in Dabra.
Okay. Welcome back guys.
आ गए वापस भाई। मोटा मोटा पैसा जीत
थोड़ी सी
कर।
टिप दे रही थी यार, अभी थोड़ी गलत हो गई टिप और थोड़े से पैसे डूब गए, बट कोई नहीं, साथ में लगाएंगे RCB वाले मैच पे, दोनों जीतेंगे
पूरा अंधा।
और भाई तुमने भी लगाई थी टिप? घर बिक गया, गाड़ी बिक गई
भाइयों देखो इसके यहाँ एक भैया रहते हैं,
वो कोई नहीं भाई, बिजी रहने दो यार भाई को बिजी रहने दो यार भाई। गाइस अपना निकल रहे हैं हम अपने घर जाके फिर निकलेंगे जहाँ भी निकलना है। और नेक्स्ट व्लॉग ज़रूर देखना, बिल्कुल एक्सक्लूसिव व्लॉग है, ठीक है गाइस। तो अपना बड़ी धूप है, मैं गार्ड साहब ले जा रहे हैं हमें, बाकी गोल्फ कोर्स भाई ये टीचर्स की पार्किंग है और ये बाहर बच्चों की पार्किंग है। गोल्फ कार्ट मेन गेट, ए रोक।